Right now, I'll be demonstrating the completion of my lesson 3 assignment. So this is my GitHub, the code on my GitHub. Right now, you can see I do not have the .env file, meaning my variables, my secret variables are stored securely on render. So I would head over to VS Code to display the functionality of my code. So here is my .rest file with the localhost URLs. I have the post URL for creating a contact. I have the put URL for updating a contact, and I have the delete for the local the development environment. I also have the ones for the production environment. So, right, so I'm just going to go ahead and test them out. So for my contacts, this is the code to display all my contacts. So you can see with a response status of 200, and you can see the list of contacts. I have the one to post a contact. So I'm going to post this very contact with tests contact. Okay, so I'm going to post this contact. So you can see it has a response status of 201, and this is the ID of the newly created contact. I'm going to update contact. So I'm going to update this very contact. So I'm going to change this to testing, and I'm going to put it up. I'm going to close this, and I'm going to put it. So it's still loading. Looks like there is an error with the sockets. Oh, so there was an error. I'm going to retry that. Oh, so you can see that I actually needed to update a contact using the ID. So I wasn't passing in the correct ID. So I have to go get the correct ID. I'm just going to head over to my database and get the correct ID for one of the from one of the documents. So so I'm going to get this for let me go with the last one I just created, the test. So you can see that the document I created is here. So I'm going to get the ID, and I'm going to update the test to testing. So here, I'm going to set the ID right here, and go ahead and change this to testing. So when I try testing that, good, you can see I have a response status of 204, showing that the put request has worked correctly. I'm going to refresh to show the results in the database. Okay, so you can see this is now testing instead of tests. All right, let's let me go ahead and show the delete. I'm going to delete this very document I created in the previous step. So send the delete request. Good. So you can see the response status of 200. Yes, so the delete route request returns a 200 status. So that's what I have for this. As you can see, I've been testing on my production environment. So thank you.